How to outsmart the airlines with these 15 airline tricks they hope you never learn. Think airlines only sell you a seat? That's exactly what they want you to believe. In reality, every boarding pass is a booby trap, riddled with secret fees, sneaky TSA loopholes, seat traps, and sky-high upsells, all engineered to drain your wallet before you ever hit cruising altitude. But not this time. Stick with me as I expose 15 airline tactics you were never meant to see, so you can breeze through security, grab the best seats for $0, dodge Wi-Fi markups, and even flip Big Brother tracking into your private safety net. By the end, you'll be the traveler everyone envies at 35,000 feet, while airlines wonder how you cracked their game. Ready to fly smarter? Let's dive in. Number 15. Unlock the best seats with the 24-hour power move. Ever paid extra for a good seat months out, only to see the exit rows suddenly available for free? That's not luck. It's a system rigged for last-minute profit. Here's the real play. Snag any seat when you book, then set an alarm for exactly 24 hours before takeoff. That's when airlines unlock unsold exit and bulkhead seats to avoid last-minute haggling at the gate. Refresh your booking page, pounce on the prime seats as soon as they appear, and pay nothing. Still nothing? Hover at the gate during final boarding. Agents will offload those coveted rows to close the doors on time, saving $40 to $90 a leg while everyone else wonders how you scored the throne. Now you're flying Passport Pro, but let's make sure your gadgets don't get snatched next. Number 14. Make your power bank confiscation-proof. Think the TSA just grabs your water bottle? Think again. Confiscated power banks are piling up at security every hour. Here's why. If your power bank is over 100 watt-hours, or if the battery size isn't clearly printed right on the case, it gets taken away, no matter how much you beg. The fix is simple. Get a power bank that's around 90 watt-hours. Add a bold sticker that says approved for air travel, and always keep it in your carry-on bag. Never check luggage. When you reach security, show the label first. Officers see it, nod, and you keep your battery, while everyone else gets tossed. Pro tip. Pack a tough USB-C cable so you can charge every device in your row without worry. Battery stress? Gone. I once watched a traveler lose over $300 in chargers at a checkpoint. That won't be you. Now, how do you beat those Wi-Fi fees? Number 13. Hack the Wi-Fi matrix and pay half. That dreamy, unlimited Wi-Fi pass? It's mostly hype. Satellite speeds crawl, coverage drops, and you pay for time you'll never use. Here's your move. Check the per-hour price, then time 2 quick passes around your actual online bursts. Saves 40% versus the all-day package. Want a steeper discount? Buy Wi-Fi in the airline app before you fly. Prices plummet when demand is theoretical, not real. Just need messaging? Stick to the free tier and laugh as everyone else fumbles for passwords. Your wallet stays full, your inbox is clear, and your device never dies. Speaking of peace and quiet, let's track down the hush zone airlines don't want you to find. Number 12. Score the true quiet zone. No upgrade needed. Most quiet seats are a myth. Jet engines roar behind the wing, bathrooms create chaos in the back, and the front's a mess of crying kids and boarding crowds. Here's where you want to be. Rows 1 through 4, right side, just ahead of the wing and away from the service pantry. On a jumbo, upper deck window seats double the silence. Use tools like Seat Guru, time your switch at the 24-hour check-in, and if you're traveling in pairs, book the window and aisle, leaving the middle open. Odds are you'll get an empty seat between you for a private sky sofa. Curious how to eat for free at the airport? You'll want this next one. Number 11. Eat free in secret lounges you already paid for. Most travelers rush from TSA straight to overpriced terminal snacks. Rookie move. Check your credit cards. Mid-tier ones often give you 1 annual priority pass or Dragon Pass entry, which you probably forgot about. Flash your code, stroll in, and load up on hot meals, espresso, and snacks. No card? If your flight's delayed, ask the gate agent about overflow lounge slips. Agents sometimes hand them out free just to clear crowds. I've seen regular flyers get $50 worth of food and coffee plus quiet space without ever showing a premium ticket. Don't get fleeced by terminal food. Eat like a VIP on the airline's dime. Up next, hot meals, maximum sleep. Number 10. time your meal for heat, and more sleep. Airline meals travel on a conveyor belt. If you're served first, your food's ice cold by the time you bite in. If you're in the back, lukewarm and rubbery. Here's the Passport Pro fix. At booking, select the Express or Dine Anytime option, often buried in preferences. Otherwise, quietly ask to be served last. Attendants will remember and bring you the hottest tray at the end. No awkward requests needed. Red eye, eat just as the lights dim, finish as the cabin quiets, and maximize sleep. Bonus, last tray often means bonus snacks. Want more? The next tip reveals where the hidden snacks actually are. Number 9. Unlock the galley snack stash mid-flight. Think you're limited to the single cookie on the menu? Think again. The galley hides bottled water, instant noodles, crackers, even fruit cups, reserved for those who ask. Stroll back, smile, and quietly say, "Are there any complimentary snacks or extra water today?" Attendants can't announce this stash or it'll disappear instantly. But if you're polite and timing is right, they'll load you up. Sometimes with a bonus coffee at breakfast. On overnight flights, look for the dim self-serve basket in the galley. Take what you need, thank the crew, and you might just get extra perks the rest of the flight. Ready for a little security? Let's lock down your digital trail. But before we dive into the next airline trick, if you're finding these tips helpful, give that thumbs up a tap and consider subscribing. It really helps our channel grow and make sure you never miss out on the smartest travel secrets. All right, let's get back to it. Number 8. Hide your boarding pass barcode. Stop the hackers. Your QR code holds way more than your seat. Think name, ticket number, even password reset links. One quick photo from a stranger and your frequent flyer miles can be siphoned before you even land. Solution: after gate scan, fold your paper pass so the barcode's invisible, or set your phone screen to barcode blur. Most airline apps do this automatically on airplane mode. Need the stub later? Tuck it in your passport, not the seat pocket. Identity and loyalty points safe. Up next, let's shatter the duty-free illusion. Number 7. See through fake duty-free deals. Tempted by bargain booze or designer scents? Most in-flight deals are overpriced by 15% or more compared to Amazon or airport stores. Quick move. Use the free text Wi-Fi to price check before buying. If the markup is higher than 15%, skip it. It's just a sky-high souvenir tax. For extra miles, pay with a co-branded card for double or triple points. Want a true deal? Quietly ask the flight attendant if a 2-for-1 or clearance is coming. They'll sometimes offer it early just to clear space. But beware, oversized bottles can get seized at connections. Want more leg room? Don't pay a penny. Just board last. Number 6. Board last, win extra space. Early boarding is a scam unless you need to guarantee bin space. Instead, hover near the gate, watch the seat map, and as final call hits, unassigned extra legroom, bulkhead, or exit row seats are often released so the agent can close the flight. Step up, ask with a smile, "Are there any extra legroom seats left?" And you might score a new boarding pass. No fee. Worst case, you'll board last, find emptier bins, and spend less time breathing recycled air. Luggage security is next. Paper tags won't cut it. Number 5. Protect your bags with Next-Gen ID. All it takes is one rough ride on the conveyor belt and your luggage tag can get ripped off, making your bag nearly impossible to identify. Here's the fix. Use a zippered plastic tag holder and print your name, email, and phone number on both sides. Even better, get a digital luggage tag that connects to your phone for easy tracking. If your airline offers bag tracking in their app, turn it on. You'll see where your bag is, from check-in to baggage claim. Pro tip: always put an extra ID card inside your bag, sealed in a plastic sleeve. If your outside tag goes missing, this hidden card helps airline staff find you. If you already use a hard-shell suitcase, you're off to a great start. But now, let's talk about that sneaky carry-on size check. Number 4. Outsmart the carry-on sizer scam. Airlines advertise one size, but their sizer cages are always tighter. Designed to collect $50 gate check fees. Solution: use a soft-sided bag. Compress flat, wheels up, and gently squeeze as you lower it into the bin. If you're near the limit, wrap a compression strap around the middle. For hard shells, take out your laptop and chargers before the sizer, then reload after. Walk with confidence. Agents target people who look unsure. Now, let's talk about fast-track security. Number 3. The 70-minute security window. Skip the $30 priority security upcharge. TSA's own data proves lines are shortest about 70 minutes before scheduled departure, right after families and before business travelers. Arrive in that window and you'll sail through. Missed it? Head to the far left lane. Less crowded, less hassle. Insider move. Many credit cards reimburse TSA pre-check. Check your perks and get priority every time. The less time you spend in line, the more time you spend outsmarting the airlines. Number 2. Disembark. Last, beat every line. Jumping up at the seatbelt sign only means you'll wait longer at baggage claim and immigration. Instead, chill in your seat, finish your podcast, and stroll off last. By then, your bag's waiting, customs is empty, and rideshare prices have dropped. No rush, no stress. Bonus. In some airports, show your boarding pass at the lounge. Same-day flyers often get one last coffee before heading out. And now, the master move that makes airline surveillance work for you. Number 1. Turn airline tracking into your secret weapon. Every swipe, seatbelt click, and drink order is logged. Most see this as surveillance, but you can use it for leverage. Lost your bag? Airline apps can trace its last scan. Missed a connection? Show your app logs to claim compensation. Data beats begging. Flying with kids? Track their real-time seat, anywhere in the cabin. When you know how to tap your own travel record, you flip Big Brother into Big Helper. This is how you win at the airline game, every time. Which of these tricks are you excited to try first? Have you ever been caught off guard by a hidden airline rule? Share your story in the comments. Your tip could save another traveler's trip. If you learned something new or saved a little cash, hit that like button so more flyers get these secrets too. And don't miss our classic guide, 10 Secret Hacks for a Free Flight Upgrade. It's packed with real insider moves that still work today. Thanks for flying smarter with Passport Pro. Safe travels.